Are you texting while fishing?
Yeah.
Come on.
I didn't start it either.
Oh man. Yeah. Not too big, but it's a fish. Another brown. Mom's turn to fish. Mom of Kiko. Woo! Ooh, a dark rainbow. Look at that. Native rainbow. Look at the colors.
Your GoPro on?
Yep. Hmm? That wind just blew you. Getting a nibble. Just let him nibble. Yep. Yep, get him. Oh. Little fucker. Probably got your bait. Yeah, that wind just blew it right back at you. It's coming up the canal now. Oh yeah, I'm getting a bite. Come on, Aim, get one. Don't. Nice one. Hang on. Lift your line up. Oh, double hook up. Double hook up. I had a feeling we were going to do it this time. Oh yeah. Whoa, 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 goddamn. What the fuck? What the shit? You see that? He went straight around my back. That's the first time I've been spun around by a trout.
Got the double hookup going. Okay, show me. The double hookup.
Woo!
The
Look at the two fish right there.
double hookup.
Pull yours up by mine. Oh yeah. Oh shit, this is heavy.
Oh, I got a brown, you got a rainbow.
Whoa, man. Heavy fucker. Oh, nice native. Right in the lip.
I got my lip too. Well, you'd be a keeper if we remembered our baggies.
Well, fuck, hell, god damn it. Oh, got it.